Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rahima Nur Fatimah.
My name is Nuraini Rahmaisha.
We will discuss material about connectors of contrast.
Sebelum masuk materi, kita harus mengetahui definisi dari konektor terlebih dahulu.
Connector is a conjunction that can connect two different ideas that have an attachment or relationship.
There are 6 type connectors.
Yang pertama itu ada sequence connector, yang kedua ada addition connectors, yang ketiga itu ada cause and effect connectors, yang keempat ada contrast connectors, yang kelima ada emphasis connectors, dan yang keenam ada comparison connectors.
We will discuss connectors in point 4, yaitu contrast connectors.
The connectors of contrast explains contradiction atau pertentangan dalam kalimat bahasa Inggris.
Connectors of contrast are used when we want to contrast two information, baik dalam satu kalimat atau dalam dua kalimat.
Di sini ada macam-macam dari connectors of contrast. Yang pertama itu ada but. But may be followed by noun phrase atau kalimat benda. Di sini ada contohnya. Everyone likes Taylor Swift, but you. Yang kedua itu ada yet. Yet dapat diikuti oleh phrase atau kalimat kata benda, and it's more formal. Contohnya itu ada the book is short yet good.
Yang ketiga ada however. However, it is used to indicate contrast of contradiction. Contohnya, that man has much money, however, he isn't happy at all. Yang keempat ada even so. It is used to indicate something that is unusual or extreme. Contohnya, this dive may be dangerous for us, even so, we have to do it.
Yang kelima ada on the other hand, digunakan untuk mengatakan something that is different from the first thing mentioned. Di sini ada contohnya, I like playing football, on the other hand, my brother likes playing basketball. Yang keenam ada at the same time, it is used for two things which happen together. Contohnya ada this is so people can watch TV and play PlayStation games at the same time.
Yang ketujuh ada tough. It is used to show that dua gagasan bertentangan satu sama lain. Contohnya, though the meal was spicy, it was really delicious. Yang kedelapan ada even tough. Kata yang lebih kuat untuk mengatakan tough and all tough. Contohnya, even though I met all the criteria needed for the job, I was not hired.
Yang kesembilan ada conversely, digunakan untuk mengekspresikan ide yang berbeda atau berlawanan dengan ide lain yang disebutkan sebelumnya. Di sini contohnya ada I thought she would not come to the party. Conversely, she came to the party with her boyfriend. Yang ke-10 ada instead. Instead place of something or someone else. Kata instead merupakan kata keterangan yang menunjukkan pilihan atau kata ganti dari sesuatu. Contohnya ada would you like to go to another place instead of cinema?
Selanjutnya yang ke-11 otherwise. Otherwise used to show what the result will be jika kondisi kita yang disebutkan sebelumnya itu tidak terjadi. Contohnya walk slowly on the ice, otherwise you will fall off. Selanjutnya while. While it means during the time or throughout the time. Contohnya, while Jackson was in London, he went to see July.
Selanjutnya, yang ke-13 ada whereas, digunakan untuk membandingkan dua hal which have significant difference for each other. Contohnya, chicken meat is white, whereas cow meat is red. Yang ke-14 ada in contrast, digunakan untuk membandingkan dua hal atau orang dan untuk mengatakan bahwa yang kedua is very different from the first one. For example, this child is short and fat. In contrast, her sister is tall and thin.
Selanjutnya yang ke-15 nevertheless. Nevertheless, it is used to say something which contrasts with what has just been said. Contohnya, the place was so beautiful. Nevertheless, we didn't want to spend our holiday in here. Selanjutnya yang ke-16 ada all tough. It is used for introduction, a new statement yang membuat pernyataan utama mengejutkan. Contohnya, although she loves her job, she decided to quit her job.
Yang ke-17 ada notwithstanding, it means despite the thing mentioned. For example, he continues to exhibit the same behaviors or warnings notwithstanding. Selanjutnya yang ke-18 ada alternatively, digunakan untuk mengusulkan kemungkinan lain. For example, you can play football, alternatively, you can go to the cinema with me.
Ke-19, despair or inspire. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan sesuatu yang terjadi without being affected by something else. Contoh despair, I can manage to stay cheerful despite everything. Contoh inspire of warnings, he didn't take any precautions. Selanjutnya yang ke-20, nonetheless. Digunakan untuk menghubungkan dua pemikiran yang bertentangan. Contohnya, she didn't like teaching, but she became a teacher nonetheless.
Yang ke-21 atau yang terakhir ada by contrast. It is used for the act of comparing in order to show difference. For example, David is unaware of what is around. By contrast, Lisa is very cautious. Sekian dari kami. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.